In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate client onboarding in GoHighLevel. We'll build a simple, reliable onboarding system using a form, a pipeline with a key stage, and a workflow that tags new clients automatically. Start inside your sub-account dashboard. From the main navigation, head to Sites, then open Forms. We'll create a new form that gathers the details you need from every new client. Click Create New, and give your form a clear name so your team can find it later. For this example, type Client Onboarding Form. Forms in GoHighLevel let you collect structured information, map fields to contact records, and even kick off automations once a submission comes in. Now, add an object field and name it Business Name. This captures the client's company and can be mapped to a contact field for easy reference. When that's set, click Save, and then go back to return to the main area. Next, go to Opportunities, then open Pipelines. Click Create Pipeline. A pipeline helps you visualize and track each client through your onboarding stages, so nothing slips through the cracks. Name this pipeline Client Onboarding and click Create. Open the new pipeline, then click Edit. Add a stage and name it Form Completed. This stage will be used to identify any client who has submitted your onboarding form, making it easy to see who's ready for the next step. Click Save to confirm. Now let's automate the first action that happens when a new client enters the pipeline. Go to Automation and create a new workflow. Choose Start from Scratch so we have full control. Click Add New Trigger and select Opportunity Created. We're choosing this trigger because it fires the moment a new opportunity card is added to your pipeline, typically right after form submission or manual entry, so your automation runs at the exact right time. Save the trigger. Add an action to the workflow. Choose Add Contact Tag. Tags let you segment and filter contacts, drive other automations, and report on client status at a glance. Name the action New Client so it's easy to understand in your workflow. Under Tags, select Client. Before moving on, rename your workflow to something descriptive so your team knows exactly what it does. Finally, click Save Action. You've now set up a clean flow, a form to capture details, a pipeline with a form completed stage for visibility, and a workflow that automatically tags new clients when an opportunity is created. This foundation keeps your onboarding organized and scalable. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.